So here's the UForce 600 we've been building. A lot of you keep asking about this back windshield, so I'll have a link down in the description below as to where you can get that. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, actually. It's a truck window decal that he just cut, and it actually fit real nice. So these light pods we installed, we have these on our website, rngperformance.net. They just utilize the stock window bolts. We didn't have to get longer bolts or anything. They went on there. We got nice wire loom. I'm gonna show you how we did it. Come in here. He had the full doors installed at the dealer before we got to work on it. There's that wire loom. Comes right up. Looks good. Comes over. And then we got it coming down the windshield here. One thing we have that's running all of the accessories, and I left these blank so he could fill them in with the stickers, is this switch panel, which we have on our website. You just hold the button, comes on, click on the radio. There's a radio. It comes on real nice. Click it off, or guess what? If you want a combination of things always on, turn them all off together. Watch this. Turn it on. They come back on. It remembers the settings that you had last on there. So there we go. Also, we use a 42-inch light bar. We do have that on our website as well. It's a very nice light bar there, 42-inch. I didn't latch the hood because I wanted to, hey honey, can you help me open this hood? The 600 hoods are quite flimsy. Now it's CFMOTO, so there we go. Now we come in here, and this is the fuse panel that we installed. Again, we have those on our website. There we go. And I used, this time, for the first time ever, I used the upright bracket that comes with it. And one thing we did notice on this unit while we was working on it, this cap leaks. So I got to tell him about that so he can get it fixed under warranty. We'll go ahead and close that. Yeah, you want to, there you go. We'll go ahead and latch it. Well, I'll get it after the video. But yeah, overall, I did take this unit for a spin, and seems like it does decent. A little loud in the cab for me. He did get the R.N.G Performance full clutch kit, the helix and the primary kit, all of it. And we're gonna take you for a ride real quick. So let's latch down this hood and we'll be right back. Let's get it started up here. We're gonna try high. We're gonna show you just how smooth this is. Well, watch this. We're creeping. We're literally creeping. Creeping forward. Smooth. We are creeping forward. There we go. Let's give it some gas. Get on it. So that was us creeping forward in high. Okay. Let's try low. Again, creeping forward. Very, very smooth. If you don't have an R.N.G Performance clutch kit, you got to get one, because it's the only clutch kit on the planet that is that smooth and delivers the power that you need. Let's go for a quick ride real quick. Can't do any speed runs or anything because this unit is not licensed for the road, so we're gonna just do this up my road. Now watch, I want to show you guys, we're coming to that little hill that I like to play on in my yard. There's that shifter issue. Only CFMOTO. We're gonna talk about that shifter issue in another video. Let's creep up this. Look, creep it up. Check that out. No effort at all. No effort. Go ahead and spin that around. There we go. It is a little noisy in here. That's for sure. Alright. We don't use park. Park is a no-go on all of our CFMOTOs. Let's get out. Now you guys are wondering about that gear jamming like that. When it does that, that is not a adjustment on the shift linkage. That's not an adjustment on the transmission. That's just how these are. And what it is, it's the driveline kind of in a bind. There's no clutch. So yeah, there's the CVT clutch and all, but there's no clutch like there would be in your car to disengage so it could shift, you know, like in a standard shift or something. Now this is automatic, but the transmission is designed kind of like a standard shift transmission, only it don't got synchros and all that jazz in there. But that's normal. And yes, it's annoying. And yes, you can get into a big old pickle. And I've noticed that my C-Force 600 does it bad. I have adjusted the linkage and all that. It does it real bad. This UForce 1000 does it real bad. But my 800 does not do it at all. And neither did my wife's 500. Your 500 didn't jam in gear like that, did it?
Maybe once or twice, but that was it.
When you were on like a steep hill or something. Yeah, that's to be expected, but not just all the time.
No.
Like, how many times we stopping and fighting with that my 600?
I know.
I've been in some rough stuff and couldn't shift.
Yep.
CFMOTO needs to step it up. And CFMOTO's not the only ones that do it either. So, can't place the blame all on them, but somebody can figure it out. So, all right, guys, that's all for this one. We're going to get working on this one tomorrow. This is going to be a video all by itself. We're going to show you how to do a full maintenance and everything. He's getting a clutch kit. So, yep. All right, guys. Peace out and God bless. We'll see you in the next one.